When you're building something for yourself, it's really easy to get stuck on perfecting it. This is my landing page, and I even built quite a bit of it, and now I'm redesigning it because I don't think it's good enough. The thing is though, the more time I spend tweaking on it, it's less time I have in searching for clients. However, without this, I might seem unprofessional. And so I'm going to finish the landing page today and move on to more important things like looking for clients. My inspiration is through a mood board that I created. I'm going to animate the front page, so it's going to pop up the first page, and then after a few seconds the white part's going to shrink up. So I'm going to keep the how can I help you section because I think that's pretty nice, because I've put out four of my services and I've also put this section where you can click next and it'll show you the steps of how I do the projects. So after services there will be I was thinking of making another showcase for projects, but I think the landing page needs something that stands out, so I'm just gonna design this. And then I'm gonna add the context at the bottom, just so you don't actually have to go to the context page. You can still contact me in the landing page. So this was my before and after. I think the after is more landing page, agency vibe, and the right one is more of a portfolio, which is not what I'm aiming for. This video is part 2 of setting up my brand. If you enjoyed it, check out my services. Maybe it'll interest you. Maybe I can help you with something that you never thought of. I'll see you next time. Bye.